10 Best Types of Push-Ups for Women and Their Benefits. Push-ups are excellent for toning and strengthening the shoulders, chest, and arms. Women, on the other hand, have lower upper body strength than men. Don't believe, though, that this activity isn't for them. The benefits of push-ups for women are numerous. Women can do push-ups just as well as men with the appropriate training and mentality. Push-ups can help the abs, as well as the muscles in the mid and lower back. They are excellent for increasing posture and core strength without the need of any equipment. Start with the easier variant and work your way up to the more sophisticated levels of push-ups. Furthermore, knowing good technique and doing tasks correctly might lessen the chance of injury. The benefits of the 10 best push-up exercises for women are discussed in this video. Then watch this video till the end. Important points to remember. Depending on their strength and stamina, women can execute beginner-friendly or intermediate push-up versions. Push-ups help tone and develop the muscles in your upper body, such as your chest, arms, and shoulders. Women can do push-ups such knee push-ups, wall push-ups, and decline push-ups on a regular basis. Before you begin, warm up for 10 minutes. There will be no muscular pull as a result of this. Prepare to begin with the easy push-ups before progressing to the more difficult varieties. 1. Knee push-ups. Benefits. Knee push-ups are a fantastic place to start for novices. They target the pectorals, chest, shoulders, deltoids, and arms, biceps. Knee push-ups teach you how to engage your core and maintain appropriate technique, which is essential for progressing to advanced push-ups. Steps. Get on all fours on an anti-slip mat, legs together, hands a little wider than shoulder width apart, palms flat on the floor, and look down. Do not tuck in your neck. Cross your legs from the knees, tuck in your stomach to keep your core tight, engage your glutes, and keep your head, neck, and spine in a straight line. This is the starting position. Exhale and lower your chest towards the floor. Stop right before your chest touches the floor. Make sure your elbows don't stick out too away from your body. Do not let your hips drop down. Pause for a moment, and push your body up to the starting position. Inhale. Repeat the steps again. Do 3 sets of 5 reps. Move on to 3 sets of 8 as you become more comfortable with the technique. 2. Wall push-ups. Benefits. Wall push-ups work on the chest, pectoral muscles, shoulders, arms, and core muscles. They help build, strengthen, and tone your chest muscles and give your breasts to lift naturally. For beginners, wall push-ups are best to practice after knee push-ups. They prepare them for the regular push-ups and other advanced variants. Steps. Stand facing a wall your arm length away. Keep your feet hip width apart, legs straight, and knees soft. Place your palms on the wall with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your neck straight and look at the wall. Engage your core and glutes. This is the starting position. Exhale and move your chest towards the wall. Make sure you do not bend from the hip. Your head, spine, glutes, and legs should be in a straight line. Stop when you are a few inches away from the wall. Pause and push your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps. Move on to 8 or 12 reps as you become comfortable. 3. Incline Pushups. Benefits. This is a slightly tougher push-up variant compared to knee and wall push-ups. Incline push-ups are performed with the hands positioned higher than the feet. It helps improve upper body muscular endurance. It also tones and strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and core. To do this push-up, you can use a bench at the gym, a sofa, a table, etc. Steps. Place your palms flat on a bench, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your neck straight and look at the bench. Extend your legs backward and keep your feet close together. Tuck in your stomach, engage your glutes, and keep your head, neck, back, hips, and legs in a straight line. This is the starting position. Exhale and lower your chest down towards the bench. Stop when your chest is just about to touch the bench. Do not drop your hips down or hunch your back. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Pause for a moment and push your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before moving on to 8 and 12 reps per set. 4. Regular push-ups. Benefits. Regular or basic or standard push-ups are an effective upper body strengthening and endurance exercise that engages the core, shoulders, chest, biceps, and triceps. This workout is slightly tougher than the knee, wall, and incline push-ups. But with the correct starting position and posture, doing regular push-ups can become easier. Steps. Lie down on your belly on an anti-slip mat. Place your palms flat on the floor right next to your chest, just below your shoulders. Keep your legs hip-width apart. Curl in your toes. Exhale and push your body up by fully extending your elbows. Your head, neck, spine, and hips should be in a straight line. Look at the floor but do not tuck your neck. Keep your core and glutes engaged. Inhale and pause for a moment. Exhale and lower your chest. Stop right when your chest is about to touch the floor. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before moving on to 8 or 12 reps. 5. Decline push-ups. Benefits. Decline push-ups require you to keep your legs on a higher plane and hands on the floor. This challenges the core, shoulders, glutes, chest, biceps, and triceps. You can use a bench, a box, or any piece of furniture to do this push-up. Steps. Sit on your knees facing away from the bench, box, or the furniture you are going to use for this exercise. Place your palms flat on the floor, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Roll your shoulders back. Place your feet on the bench one by one, legs hip-width apart. Tuck in your stomach and engage your glutes. Keep your head, spine, hips, and legs in a straight line. Look at the floor but do not tuck in your neck. This is the starting position. Exhale and bend your elbows to lower your chest towards the floor. Stop when your chest is just about to touch the floor. Pause for a moment and push your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before moving on to 8 or 12 reps. 6. Diamond push-ups. Benefits. Diamond push-ups work primarily on your triceps, shoulders, chest, and core. They help improve your upper body strength and endurance as well as shape up your triceps and get rid of upper arm side bulges. Steps. Sit on the mat on your knees. Form a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers as shown in the image above. Place your hands on the floor, shoulders rolled back, with the core and glutes engaged. Look down but do not tuck in your neck. Your head, neck, spine, hips, and legs should be in a straight line. This is the starting position. Exhale. Bend your elbows and lower your body towards the floor. Stop when you are about an inch away from the floor. Do not drop your hips down. Pause for a moment and push your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before doing 8 or 12 reps per set. 7. Tricep Pushups. Benefits. Tricep push-ups are similar to regular or basic push-ups, but with a slight change that makes a whole lot of difference. Tricep push-ups target the triceps, core, shoulders, and chest. They are a great way to tone and strengthen your upper body. Steps. Get into the starting position of a regular push-up, stomach tucked in, glutes engaged, neck straight, and look at the floor. Do not tuck in your neck. Exhale and lower your body. This time make sure that your elbows are close to your body. Do not let them stick out. Go as far down as you can and maintain a proper form. Pause for a moment and push your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before attempting 8, 12, or 15 reps per set. 8. SpiderMan Pushups. Benefits. If you are ready to take your push-up game to the next level, try SpiderMan Pushups. These modified push-ups are a mix of push-ups and SpiderMan exercise and help stabilize and strengthen the core. These work on your abdominal muscles, especially the oblique muscles that are present at the sides of your belly, upper body, glutes, hip flexors, quads, and hamstrings. They help get rid of the love handles and give you a round booty. Steps. Get into a high plank position, hands a little wider than shoulder width apart, and feet together. Tuck in your stomach, engage your glutes, and look down, but do not tuck in your neck. This is the starting position. Exhale and bend your elbows to lower your body. Simultaneously, lift off your right foot, bend your knee, and try to touch it with your right elbow. Inhale and push your body back to the starting position. Place your right foot back on the floor. Exhale, lower your body again, and this time, lift off your left foot, bend your knee, and try to touch it with your left elbow. Inhale and push your body back to the starting position. Place your left foot back on the floor. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before doing 8, 12, 15, or 25 reps per set. 9. Pike Pushups. Benefits. Pike Pushups help tone and strengthen the upper back and work the core, shoulders, biceps, and triceps. The challenge here is to maintain a pike position as you do the push-ups. Steps. Get into a high plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Look at the floor but do not tuck in your neck. Hold your stomach in and engage your glutes. Move your hips up to the ceiling, keeping your legs straight and your head and spine in the same line. This is the starting position. Exhale. Bend your elbows and lower your head towards the floor. Do not drop your hips. Pause for a moment and extend your elbows to lift your body back to the starting position. Inhale. Do 3 sets of 5 reps before moving to 8, 12, or 25 reps per set. 10. OneArm Pushups. Benefits. OneArm Pushup is a fantastic challenge to face. Once you have built your core and upper body strength and endurance by practicing the above 9 types of push-ups, you may try the OneArm Pushup. It works on the core, shoulders, chest, biceps, triceps, and forearm muscles. If you have weak wrists, do these exercises. Steps. Get into a kneeling position. Place your palms flat on the floor, right beside your chest. Extend your legs backward. Move your feet wide apart to support your body weight on just one arm. Lift off one arm and place it on your thighs or on your back. Tuck in your core and engage your glutes. Breathe. This is the starting position. Exhale and bend your elbow to lower your body down towards the floor. Stop before you touch the floor. Do not lower your hips. Pause for a moment and push your body back up and inhale. Do 3 sets of 2-3 reps before moving on to 5, 10, 15, or 25 reps per set. Note. You may also do clap push-ups while doing ballistic push-ups. Perform these exercises, however, with the assistance of your personal trainer. These are the top 10 women's push-up exercises, and anyone. But, before you get started, there are a few things to remember. Points to remember. Warm up for at least 10 minutes before beginning any workout. Warm up your hand muscles by rolling your hands, stretching your shoulders, and extending your arms before beginning push-ups. Always begin with a lower repetition count every set. Start with 3 sets of 3 repetitions. Then do 3 sets of 5 repetitions. Then it's 3 sets of 8 reps, and so on. For a week or 2, practice knee and wall push-ups before attempting a standard push-up. Push-ups should not be done in excess. Twice a week, do 4 different forms of push-ups. You may perform it as many times a week as you wish after you've learned the form. Maintaining appropriate form is your objective. That 100 push-ups challenge may be postponed for now. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core and glutes engaged at all times. Do not tuck your neck in when looking at the floor. Maintain a straight line across your spine, neck, and head. Consume nutritious foods. Include 4 or 5 different kinds of vegetables, boiled, blanched, sautéed, 3 different kinds of low GI fruits, lean protein, fish, eggs, skinless chicken, tofu, soy, mushrooms, legumes, seeds, nuts, and healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, fish oil, fatty fish. Take it easy. Every night, get at least 7 hours of sleep. Maintain a calm attitude. Knee push-ups are also not the same as female push-ups. Beginners should begin with knee push-ups and gradually increase their strength until they can complete the basic push-ups. There is no such thing as a superior or inferior gender. Conclusion. Push-ups are a type of body weight exercise that strengthens the upper body and core muscles while also increasing endurance. Push-ups can also help you achieve a better chest and shoulder form, lose arm fat, and enhance core stability. These results will aid you in performing other activities more effectively and for a longer period of time. Begin right now. You'll be the go-to push-up workout guru in no time if you complete all 10 best push-up kinds outlined in this video and practice proper form. Disclaimer. This video is solely meant to provide general information and does not address specific circumstances. It is not a substitute for professional advice or assistance, and it should not be used to make any judgments. For the diagnosis and treatment of any medical issues, a professional physician should be consulted. Any decisions you make based on the information in this report are your own. If you're looking for weight loss secrets, have a look at this.